Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a mouth-watering mutton recipe, and I have also shown the detailed steps to make the masala paste. This mutton curry goes really well with rice, roti, chapati or a naan. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make mutton masala. In a pressure cooker, add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add 1 medium onion and I have chopped it finely. The flame is on medium-high. Fry the onions well for few seconds. To speed up the process of frying, we are adding some salt and give it a mix again. They have turned translucent. Let's add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Mix it well. We are going to fry for a few seconds till the raw flavors of ginger, garlic and coriander go away. Now they are pretty much done. We are now going to add 2 teaspoons of haldi or turmeric. Give it a mix for a few seconds. To make this mutton curry, I am using 1.5 kg of goat meat and the pieces are medium to large. Turn the flame to medium and give it a good mix. Cooking the mutton in a pressure cooker is a faster process. It's mixed well. Now let's cover and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, let's open and check. You'll notice that there is a lot of water released from the mutton. Give it a quick mix. And now we are going to add 1 cup of water. Also going to add some salt. Mix it well. The flame is on medium. Now we are going to put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 to 6 whistles on a medium flame. This will take about 30 minutes or so. Open after the pressure cooker has cooled down. And just give it a toss like that and let's make sure that the mutton is cooked well. I've taken a small piece and notice that it kind of breaks easily, and there you go, it's cooked well. Whole spices for the curry: some coriander seeds, some dahlias, some peppercorns, cloves, piece of nutmeg, sesame seeds, cumin seeds and cinnamon stick. In a kadhai, add about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and drop in all the whole spices. Fry the whole spices till they release nice aroma on a medium flame and also change the color. So this is how they look after a few minutes. They are well roasted. Let's take them out in a plate. In the same kadhai, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and now we are going to fry some onions. I'm using 1 big onion and I have chopped it into long pieces like these. Fry the onions well until they turn nice and golden brown. This will take 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Let's take them out. In the same kadhai, add 1 more teaspoon of cooking oil and now we are going to fry some dry coconut slices. Within few minutes they change the color and now they are done. Let's take them out. Same kadhai, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and now we are going to fry some fresh coconut. I'm using 1 cup of fresh coconut. On a medium flame, this will take about 3 to 5 minutes and now notice that the fresh coconut is fried well. Let's take it out. The ingredients for the masala paste are now well roasted. Let's keep them on the side to cool down. They have cooled down. Let's grind them now. So we are just going to add them to a bigger grinder attachment and now grind it to a fine paste. Add some water as needed and here is the masala paste ready. In a wide pan, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil and once hot, add 1 medium onion and I have chopped it finely. Just fry it well for few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste and give it a good mix. Fry it till the raw flavors go away. The onions and ginger, garlic, coriander paste is fried well. Now add the freshly made masala paste. To this, now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of chili powder and you can increase or reduce it depending upon your spice level. 1 medium tomato and give everything a really good mix. Turn the flame to medium-high. The masala paste is fried well. To this now I am adding 1 cup of water to thin out the consistency since it was pretty thick. Give it a quick mix like that and now drop in the cooked meat pieces. Check the seasoning at this time and add some additional salt if required, but my curry was pretty well seasoned so I didn't need to add. Cover and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. After about 8 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that the mutton has got a nice boil. Give it a quick mix. The mutton curry is almost ready. We are just going to boil it for a minute or two without the lid. And now it's ready. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. Enjoy this mutton curry with some rice, roti, chapati or a naan. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. See you all in my next video. Have a great day.